What's up, YouTube family? Hey, before I get started, remember to hit the like button, all right? And subscribe to my channel, okay? I'm just a young man just trying to make a living, just like you. I have a wife and 3 kids. You know, I have struggles. I have problems. So, show me some love. But anyways, let me show you something very positive. Bam. So, I know you're sitting there like, how's this positive, Terry? How's this positive? And I'm apologize for the birds outside. I'm outside sitting on my patio making this video because my kids are too loud in there. But anyways, how's this positive? Well, let me show you why it's positive. For one, I know why I lost. And I know what I did wrong. Okay? I took these trades at the same time, and I'm going to explain why and what I did. Okay, but first thing first, as you guys can tell, I made a deposit of $1,434. Okay, I did get a stimulus check this morning, and I was a little surprised myself, a little bit in shock. Okay, I said, oh, okay, I really did get a stimulus. So let me go ahead and invest some of my money into the Forex market. Okay, and me being overconfident, me, you know, being who I am, I was like, bet, I'm about to go ahead and run up a check. Well, wrong. God humbled me real quick. And let me show you what happened. So, let's go to USD CHF. I normally don't trade this pair, but I'm in a really great group of mentorship. And they're just mentoring me, help me become a better trader, right? Imagine, yeah, me getting mentored. Yes. Look, I'm no better than anybody else. I've been trading a lot longer than other people, sure. But I still need help too, okay? I make mistakes. Nobody's perfect. But I don't want to make this video too long, so let me get into my mistakes. So what I did was, let's go to M5. I seen the USD CHF had a high RSI. RSI was about 85. One of my mentors said, hey man, my alert just went off. Shout out to my guy Jeremy Cash. My alert just went off, and it's time to sell. So obviously I said bet. So I went ahead and placed a sell here. Okay. And guys, everybody want to know sniper entries. Everybody want to know when to get in and when to get out. There's no secret formula to this stuff. You just really got to be patient. And me being cocky, me being who I am, I just didn't think. I was like, man, I ain't worried about this. I got this, y'all. I just made another deposit into my account. So it's time to make some money, flip this money like I did a couple weeks ago. Well, unfortunately, that's not what happened today. Okay. Now I did break even, or I say break even. I did lose about $100 or so. But the one thing to keep in mind is I know why I lost. I got in way too early. And I got in way too early with a $2 lot size. If you're going to over leverage your account, first start off with a 50 cent. You see that 50 cent down there? So the 50 cent lot was actually placed up here. And then it shot down. And obviously that's when I made the money. And then my other $2 lot, like I said, was right in this area. Both of my $2 lots were in this area. And me not being patient, me thinking like, oh man, this ain't gonna work. Oh man, this is looking bad. I'm down $700. I went ahead and took a $286 loss, so I don't blow my account. Because if you guys don't know, if you hold it too long, it will blow your account. So I went ahead and took an L and said, I'm gonna see what these other ones do. Okay, and it was still going up. It was still going up. It was still going up. I was like, oh man, I'm about to blow my account. Well, that's why we have mentors. And that's why I say sometimes everybody needs to be reminded and be humbled. Okay. So I patiently waited it out, obviously. And then I made my bread. I made my money. And then as you guys can tell, RSI did work. It was all the way up here to about the 86 mark. And then once you see that wick at the top like this, and you see the consolidation, that's really good confirmation to let you know it's going to drop like it did. So that's why when I got in, got out, made my profit, and call it a day. Okay. But let me tell you why this is positive. Some of you guys are wondering, like, how is it that he deposited money and then lost $286? Basically, I'm negative $158 for the day. How's this positive, you ask? The reason why this is positive because I know why I lost, okay? I'm humbled and I'm blessed and I'm grateful to have the opportunity to even do this. People that do Forex or day trading or stocks and bonds, everybody knows what comes with the territory. You're going to lose. The name of the game is to win more than you lose. So right now, starting off the week, I'm 3-1, right? 3-1 right now. And I got other accounts too, guys. I got more than one account. But anyways, I just put it in this account because of I haven't used this account in a while, and if you guys don't know, Trader's Way actually is not letting Americans use it anymore unless you already created an account. I think in 2020, the end of 2021 or end of 2020, they stopped doing that. But anyways, so I went ahead. Well, I need to go ahead and keep this account alive, and the reason why I like Trader's Way is because I can do the 1 in 1,000 leverage. Most brokers use 1 of 500. But anyways, let's get off topic. Get comfortable with the red, guys. Do not be discouraged when you lose. Stay patient. Stick to the process. If you're in my group or on my team or around me, I say this a lot. Stay patient. Use a smart lot size. Take about 80% of your TP, and everything, just gonna work itself out. Because at the end of the day, the market's gonna do what the market's gonna do. Okay. But when you do lose, guys, because you will lose. When you do lose, go figure out why you lost. Go backtrack. Go back test and see, why did I make this decision? Why did I lose today? Why did I not make any money? Okay? But anyways, that's all I got for y'all. I just wanted to explain to you why I lost. Okay? Ultimately, the reason why is because I got in a little bit too early. I should have been patient because I seen this red and I was like, oh, I'm good. But I obviously kept rising, kept rising. And then I got back in at the top of this wick. And then I wrote it down. And obviously profit here and then profit here. And then I got out. Okay. And obviously the reason why I got out because I was scared that it wasn't going to break this 20. Because, anytime I say respecting the 20 EMA, I definitely take my money. Because as you guys can tell, it was respecting this 20 here. It finally did break. So did I take a loss for no reason? Sure I did. But I'd rather protect my account than blow my account. So learn from me. Learn from my mistakes. Like I said, Forex is not all cupcakes and rainbows. You will lose. But I promise you, if you stick to the game, you're going to win more than you lose. Study. And like I always say, remember to put God first. And everything will and can work itself out. Peace.